Okay, I'm video recording now.
Did you just the other way? Move.
Now I just got your butt on camera. Honey, you need to come over this way so I can see you. If you go in the sun, I don't get no video of her.
Now, you put a...
Nathaniel. Did your family already watch the videos, honey? One.
Yes.
They did? Even her being born? And what'd they say? Cool?
Yeah. Say, look at me, Mom. Look what I'm going to do. Samantha. Ready? Yes.
Whee! 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 You know what, honey? We could make a video of the inside of our house and put it on YouTube.
Hi. Get out.
Samantha's new shoes. Woo-hoo! I got shoes.
Look. Come on.
She has to go potty.
Yes. Ready? Where's that? Hey, Mom, let rock. Ready?
She's talking to you. Whatever that means. Do you know what that means?
No.
Re. Do you know what that means? I don't either. I already videotaped you.
See her feet?
Uh-huh.
See her feet?
I know, I'm watching. I'm videotaping her. See, she scoots herself.
Okay, done.